Welcome to Caught AI. If this is your first time here, you will see this onboarding page. Here you can watch this video and also try our demo corpus, which is pre-configured with retail sales data and associated business rules. You can explore the demo corpus and its knowledge using these navigation options. When you click try demo, it will set up the demo corpus and take you to the canvas where you can start asking questions relevant to the business. Let's try the demo. Now you are in the canvas where you can start asking questions. These are all predefined metrics. So those metrics can be viewed from the corpora. This is the corpus board where you have different knowledge cells included. Based on this knowledge cells, it has created the data model and configured a set of metrics. The knowledge has two types: business and technical knowledge. The technical knowledge is where you connect to your data warehouse, data marts, or any database. The business knowledge is where you upload different types of documents which contain your business rules or any other domain specific information. So let's ask questions based on what has been derived. For example, if I want to understand gross margin by product here, what it does is fetches the data and also provides insights related to this particular question. From here, you can actually see the SQL that was generated. This metric is predefined, meaning the AI generated this metric earlier and saved it for reuse. But let's say you want to ask a question that's not part of the predefined metrics. For example, average sales by product category. This may not be a predefined metric. Now the AI is generating and validating the SQL to get the data needed. It gathered the data. These are the three different product categories and also provides insights and follow up questions. You can click these follow ups to continue your analysis. So, this is how you can try the demo corpus and explore how the data models and knowledge work. If you want to see how the data model looks, you can view it here. You can see the foreign keys, primary keys, and cardinality that have been derived. All of this can be verified. If you want to see existing metrics, you can view them here, execute them, and explore the ML output. If you want to modify the SQL, you can do that here, or you can ask the AI to help you with it. Now you understand how the demo corpus works. Let's see how you can create your own corpus by uploading knowledge. To create your own corpus, switch to your brain here. By default, you have your brain and the core demo brain. I named mine sales. You can change the brain name from the settings if you want. Here, I don't have any knowledge or corpus. It shows that no corpus has been created yet. From here, you can go to the corpus menu. To create a corpus, you need knowledge first. Currently, there is no knowledge, so let's create knowledge first. There are two types of knowledge, as I mentioned earlier: technical and business knowledge. To create technical knowledge, you need to add a connection or integration to your database. You can add the integration while creating technical knowledge. Here, you can create or go to Backstage and add an integration. This is the integration area. I've already created one integration here. With that, let's create technical knowledge. But before technical knowledge, it's recommended to create business knowledge. Let's add business knowledge. I have this business knowledge, which includes all the business synonym references. You can just save this knowledge. Similarly, you can add any number of documents related to your business. Now the document is ready to be used. And let's create technical knowledge. Let's say I'm calling it sales data mart. This is the knowledge name. You can choose whichever database you want. I have a connection already created for Postgres, which is available here. So let's get the tables. I have a bunch of tables here. You can see the different facts and dimensions. Then you can just save that. Now you have this knowledge created. Let's add a corpus. Let's give it a short name. This will basically be the chat handle that shows up in the canvas. You can select whatever icon you want, then add knowledge. Here, let's add the previously added knowledge. Here you can see the summary of the document that was created. Then you can save. Now it will start creating and trying to find the relationships between your entities, and it creates a data model. It may take a few minutes. Once the data model is finished, you will receive an email. Now the data model has succeeded. You can review the data model here. These are the different tables, dimensions, and facts that we selected from the Postgres database. It has identified the primary keys and foreign keys. You can review those data models here. You can check each table. Let's take fact sales, for example. It has identified the keys, the relationships for sales, the cardinality, and everything. Here you can also see the confidence score. You can review, and if everything looks good, you can lock it. Once it's locked, no further changes will be made. And based on this data model, the metrics will be generated. The metrics process has started. The AI is working to generate the top 25 metrics to cover the business understanding. This may take a few minutes. Now the metrics have been created. See here, 25 metrics have been created. We can verify each metric and its dimensions and measures. Also, we can view the database entities and attributes. Let's have some conversations on this created corpus. If you have any questions, submit a query using the contact support option from the profile menu.